Welcome back to Advocacy, Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we have a good one, guys. Today we're diving into a chaotic body cam video from Charlotte County, Florida. This incident involves charges of battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest, and disorderly intoxication. You'll see how an ego-filled outburst turned into a criminal case, and what it teaches us about evidentiary standards and legal thresholds. So let's jump into the footage, and afterward we'll dissect the laws at play and break down the evidence step by step. Stick around. You might be surprised at how thin the line is between freedom and arrest when emotions run high and the volume's turned all the way up. Let's watch the video. See you at the end.
Florida, Lincoln Nora Victor, Lincoln 90, LNV L90.
I got it. Look, I'll put it here. All right. Hey, look, I got it. Hold it. Let me get her. Can I get her? Stop. Here, I got you. Here. Take these off. Here. Look, I got it. Here. Presley, I got it. Here. Let me hold her.
Central 430 status check.
Here. Harley. Here. Harley. I was trying to prevent all this.
I understand.
I know you're trying to arrest me.
I wasn't trying to. I was trying to detain you.
I was just trying to get this from happening. I knew if you did that. God.
Here. You'll be alright. I'm
Good, dude.
You're good.
Harley, just stop. Harley, you're too far gone now. You
It's over.
4:30 Central. I got 1:10:15. Alright, we're gonna get her up. She battered me. She punched me.
You are going down, I promise you.
Stand up.
Wyatt, stop! Wyatt, get off of me! I promise you after.
In the back. Have a seat.
Why are you hitting me in my face?
Get in the other.
I'm gonna
Harley, stop! Just get in the car, please. Hey, Harley. Can I push her in there?
No.
Hold on.
I need it on once.
It's on my set.
Wyatt, get off of me! I'll hit by you, mother. I will kill you! Get off of me! I will get off of you, mother.
Anybody else involved?
The blonde girl over there, and then the gentleman trying to find her phone. She threw her phone out of that one threw her phone out of the car.
And there's a man on the dock over there that's working. He works over there. She beat the crap out of him when he tried to prevent her from beating that girl anymore. She pummeled him, kicked him in his nuts, headbutted him.
Stabbed me.
Like,
So you guys weren't involved in this fight?
no, trying to stop.
I got called
she was
out by a
beating her in the
customer.
middle of traffic. She was just pummeling her to death. She was driving the other girl over there. This is her vehicle. I pulled it over here to get away from her.
Is the Range Rover her vehicle?
She couldn't, whoever's it is, that's what she was driving. And she was trying to get out of there. The girl was hanging on her, beating her while she was on the driver's wheel. Multiple people tried to stop her from
Was the door
coming.
open when she was
Yep.
doing that?
The door was open. She was just swinging on her.
The door opened, something flew out, so I was right behind
She
her.
threw a phone.
She threw the other girl's phone.
Something flew out, and then hands were being thrown. I don't know if both parties or just her.
Okay. So
And then she gets hacked.
where's this other woman at?
Come up.
She's right over there.
She's right over there.
And you don't need medical attention.
No.
All right, let's keep walking. Actually, that's a bunch of mud right there.
Let me out! Let me out! Get me out of
What's she so upset about?
Dude, I had no f***ing idea. Like, all of a sudden, she just f***ing switched. She sat there and beat the shit out of me. I
mean, she's going to jail.
No, I get it, but like, dude, what the f***?
How the f*** are you gonna let me stay here? I would never let you, bitch! You! Drag your f***ing shit! Drag your dick into my bitch! I'll f***ing beat the f*** out of you! How the f*** is my family gonna turn on me? Get these off my f***ing wrists! Get them off my wrists! Please! I hate you! I hate you! I will never talk to any of them again. I will get the fattest steak after this, and my boyfriend will take me out to a $500 dinner, and you can arrest me for all you want, and my dad will literally bail my ass out. I should pee on your squad car, you. I am literally the prettiest girl in Charlotte County, and like, no, I don't deserve this. My bra is hanging out, like, this is disgusting. And I am literally going to sue the f*** out of you when I get out of here. I just want to go home. I've never been.
I want to go female.
I just want to go home.
Haley.
My name is Harley. Please let me go.
Oh, Harley? Okay, that's fine. I was told Haley by somebody else. They just misread your name.
Can you just
What's
let me
going
go
on
home?
today?
I want to go
Talk
home.
to me for now.
No, you're a bald little bitch. I don't want to talk to
I'm
you.
bald. I got more hair than anybody out here.
Not more hair than me. I just, and I'm just literally ruining my name by letting you guys.
If you have all that stuff going for you, you have good connections with the community.
I will beat the out of all of you after this. You think anyone cares about me going to jail? Nobody gives a f. I will run that shit down to the ground. Let me go the home.
I care that you're here.
No, you bald ass bitch. You f***ing put me in a jail cell with my hands tied behind my back. This car could set on fire right now, and I would die. My bra is falling off of me. I have no dignity right now. I want to go home. No, you ass little laughing ass bitch. I will drag you. Oh, I will beat the out of that bald little bitch. Let me go the home. You think it's funny? You fat mother. Car.
No matter how much money you make,
It doesn't matter. Get me out of here. Get me the out of here, please. This thing could catch on fire right now and I would die.
it won't catch fire, I promise you.
No, I want to go home. I made $700,000 last year. Get me out of here. I don't care how much it costs. Get me the out of here. A lawyer will buy you all tomorrow. I don't want to know how much it costs. Get me the out of this car. You short mother. Get me the out of this car. Oh my God.
Hey,
No, let me out.
I'm trying to get you out.
Oh my God, I'm gonna freak the out. How the do I pay $700,000 a year in taxes and you're gonna have me in here? Please, don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
No, you get out now. Get out.
Okay, don't
Get out.
hurt me, please.
Get out.
Now, let's break down the charges in this case and the penalties under Florida law. Number 1, battery on a law enforcement officer. Definition: intentionally striking an officer who is engaged in the lawful performance of their duties. Potential punishment: in Florida, this offense is elevated to a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a fine of up to $5,000. The application in this case: the officer reported being punched during the interaction, meeting the criteria for this charge. Number 2, resisting arrest with violence. Definition: resisting, obstructing, or opposing a law enforcement officer with physical force while they are performing their lawful duties. The potential punishment is this is also a third-degree felony carrying the same penalty, up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a fine of up to $5,000. 555. Application in this case, the suspect's actions, including physical resistance, threats, and aggressive behavior, qualify as resisting with violence. Number 3, disorderly intoxication. This is defined as endangering the safety of others or causing a public disturbance while intoxicated. The potential punishment is this is a second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. Application in this case, the suspect's erratic and disruptive behavior in a public setting combined with the apparent influence of alcohol meets the standard for disorderly intoxication. While these charges may seem to escalate quickly, each one reflects the legal system's way of addressing specific actions. Together, they demonstrate how a single outburst can lead to compounded consequences under the law. Now, let's discuss the 6 key evidentiary standards and how they apply to this case. We'll use examples from the footage to illustrate each one. Number 1. Mere suspicion. Definition: a hunch or instinct without concrete evidence. An example: when officers arrive, mere suspicion might arise from seeing someone yelling or acting erratically without knowing the full context. Number 2. Reasonable suspicion. Definition: based on specific facts. This is the threshold for detaining someone for further investigation. An example: the officer seeing the suspect engaged in aggressive behavior toward another person likely created reasonable suspicion. Number 3. Probable cause. A definition: sufficient facts that a crime has occurred justifying an arrest. For example, the officer being punched then threatened provided probable cause for the battery and resisting charges. Number 4. Preponderance of the evidence. Definition: more likely than not. This is used mostly in civil cases. For example, if this were a civil suit for damages stemming from the altercation, the evidence would need to show that it's more likely the subject caused the harm. Number 5. Clear and convincing evidence. A definition: a higher level of proof often required in administrative or family law cases. For example, proving the subject's intoxication in an administrative hearing about revoking their professional license might require clear and convincing evidence. Number 6. Beyond a reasonable doubt. Definition: the highest standard used in criminal cases. An example: to convict the subject of battery on a law enforcement officer, the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the punch was intentional and unlawful. This case highlights how quickly a situation can escalate when emotions take control. The subject's actions not only endanger others, but also cross multiple legal boundaries, leading to serious felony charges. Understanding the evidentiary standards helps us appreciate the careful process of law enforcement and prosecution in ensuring justice is served. At Advocacy Alchemy, we believe the law isn't just about punishment, it's about understanding. So, what can we learn? If you're in a tense situation, remain calm, comply with lawful commands, and address grievances through the proper channels. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments below. Let's continue exploring the law together. Once again, this is Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day.